Yes!
Alam mo, super appreciate ko sa mga fans din natin. Na, hindi lang, di ba binibigyan rin nila yung mga RM natin?
Yeah.
Yung super na ano ko talaga, na-appreciate ko about them. As in, super.
Yung the time that goes into it, as in, minsan hindi lang kasi bili. Sobrang, yung mga sulat nila sobrang meaningful, na sobrang haba. Ano yan?
Ang cute-cute ka naman!
Ano yan?
Unicorn! Oh my God! Pwede mo i-color yung unicorn! Bro! I'm gonna die.
Teka, may panlaban ako dyan.
Patayin. No. Ang cute, guys. Thank you, this Be Official. This is from, Ligaya. This Be Official member. Thank you, Ligaya. Guys, kuha mo talaga ng
Labanan, diyan ka.
Tingin.
Ano?
Ang cute!
Ano?
Ang
May
cute
donut
nito!
Galing kay kay Hannah tsaka kay Tita Clavel. Imagine mo, magnanay nagpunta sa meet and greet ko kanina. Sobrang cute. Yeah. And I have another one. Look at this. I have a pillow.
Have a pillow.
Gugug, Sign King.
Oh my God, ang cute!
So cute.
Oh my God, that's so... I-keep mo yan, ha?
Yeah, I'm keeping all of this for sure.
You know what's a good idea? Dapat meron tayong sarili nating rooms na puno ng gifts.
For this stuff, no?
For stuff. Tapos yung parang yung tipong din mo collect lahat. Tapos para kapag nagkaanak na.
Yeah.
Tapos nagkaanak ka na, asawa ka na.
Tapos ito naman, kanino galing to ulit? Ito kay Hannah. This one's one of my favorites. I finally have one also. Look at it.
Ala! Cute! Ang cute yan! Keep mo yan.
And this one. Like, dude, I'm gonna have a setup of like, ang dami kasing nagbigay sa akin ng ganito. Look at this, bro. Look at my caldero.
Cute!
Ang dami kong mini rice cooker.
Nakakatawa para tayo parang Pasko na.
Parang Pasko, no? Ito na yung Pasko natin talaga.
NCR ng bansa.
OFW.
FW vibes.
Saludo sa lahat ng OFW, guys. Thank you for your service to the Filipino families. Love you all.
Wow! Hey, guys.
Where's the other favorite of mine? There's a drawing. This is so good.
Drone?
Drawing. Bruh.
As in, ganda.
I don't know if what medium this is. Parang there's paint and pencil.
Ganda. Cute nila.
I haven't read who this came from. Ayun. Maria Rezi and Benj. Thank you for the painting, guys. Oh. Oh, and then I have one of my doggy also. Look at this. This is from... Oh, it's from Luna.
From?
Luna. Look at this. It's so Joe.
Oh, that's so cute!
It's so cute.
Ang cute niyan.
Ikaw naman.
I think this is a drawing. Surprise ourselves. Okay. Oh, it's a printed
Oh, cute. Collab ng collab, no?
Dito ni Mikmik. Meron akong hinahanap na sobrang Mahilig ko kasi sa stickers. Tapos may binigay sila na...
Hinahanap ko nga din yung mga sticker ko eh. Hindi ko alam saan napunta.
Sobrang cute talaga. Please.
Bro. Ito, isa pa to.
Ayun! Stickers ba?
Ito. This is another one. You found it?
I found it. Look at the stickers. Sobrang aliw kasi talaga ako sa stickers.
Oh, that's so cute! Yun yung waterproof na pwedeng lagay sa jug, no?
Oh, ang cute.
And like this one, Bianx, it's almost like the other one also. They make memory books, bro.
Patingin?
With love.
Ang cute! Hala! Ang cute-cute.
Yung nagbigay, Tato, Caldero Squad. Yan yung mga ganito. Look at this, so cute. Letters.
Cute!
Bro.
Keep mo yung mga yun, ah.
Yeah. Tapos every duo I had.
Lahat ba ng kapuso na kaduo mo?
Hindi. I have a few na hindi. Grabe. Ayan. It's so nice. Imagine mo 4 months ng buhay natin to.
Diba?
Ayan. Felix Unit, nakita ko na yung gift niyo, guys. Wow. Thank you. Feeling ko ilang araw ko yung babasahin.
Ay, nandito si River. River. Oh, River, she's in the other room. River, akit ka nga. How do you akit? River, akit ka.
Tell him to start a live and then we invite him here.
Ganun ba yun?
Yeah.
So you started the live before going here?
Yeah.
Riv, mag-live ka, tapos ano ka?
Yung mga pin, feeling ko nakita ko na yun. Naghalo-halo na kasi yung mga gifts. As in, sobrang grabe kayo, guys. Promise. Thank you for everything. Ayan, nag-live na din si Rivo.
Tapos,
Ito yun.
invite ko siya.
Yeah.
How the heck?
I think the same way you invited me kanina sa ano. Yes, happy fiesta mga Tanzanians.
Kanina kasi it popped out, it popped up lang. Ako ba bayis mo mag-ano kay River?
Ata.
Pero kanina nag-accept lang ako here.
Nag-request ba ako sa'yo? Can you try inviting? Ay, ano pala? Sabihan nyo mag-request si... matutulog. Matutulog na daw siya. Si River, kaka-text lang.
Ayun.
I found it! I found the stickers.
Found it?
Yeah. Oh, and then I have Biancs. I have a custom... Basta later, I'll show you.
Ano yun?
Na custom. This is for River. This is for Will. This one's for AZ. This is mine. Ang minamahal kong Team War.
Pineapple tart.
Hero. You are.
Ang cute!
It has all our nameplates and all our jugs.
Hala! Super cute!
Super.
Yun ang super swerte natin sa mga fans natin.
Oh, yeah. Sarap. Ito kakabit ko talaga sa mga jug. Nice stars wraps. Thank you sa cake.
Wow. Ano tawag sa fans mo?
Ralph Mates.
Ha?
Ralph Mates.
Ralph Mates. Ano yung Razzles? Sa inyo ni
Easy
Easy.
Ralph yun.
Ang cute ng Razzles.
Razzle.
Razzles.
Ito. Galing naman sa Titas of Inigo, sa Ralph V. Look. It's me.
Is that the hero, no?
Yeah.
Ang cute!
It's me nung final duo formation.
Mm.
Yung medal natin, oh.
Did you keep the medal?
Hey, there's a dragon. Did I keep the medal? I think so. I think it's in my room. Pati yung Big Four jacket.
It's your room. Hey guys, tutulog na ako. Mag-impake pa ako. Yeah. I need to pack the gifts sa uwi.
Sa box?
Mm-hmm.
Good luck.
Okay. Night, guys. Message kita, Ralphie.
Go.
Night, guys. Love y'all.
Guys, good night. See ya.
Yeah.